Hey y'all, what it do? It's your girl Viva K. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not new, what it do, what it do, what it do? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a TEMU haul. So I ordered some stuff off of TEMU, stuff I seen on TikTok that I was like, why would I order from the TikTok shop when I ordered from TEMU because it's cheaper? Whatever. So I ordered some stuff from TEMU that I seen on the TikTok shop, and also some little stuff that I could use for when I do hair. So like wig caps and stuff like that. HD wig caps. So let's see what they sent me, okay? So this is my package for my thumbnail. Alright, so let's open this up. Got my little scissors. They fit a lot in these packages. One thing about TEMU, they can fit your whole order in a package because there's a lot of items in this one package. I ain't gonna hold you. I kind of forgot everything that I ordered. It took about a week. I think I ordered it about October 28th or something like that. I put up how long it took. I mean the date, so y'all can see how long it took. But let's get into it. So I ordered me a flosser. I already had one, but I lost the cord, so I had to order another one. So let's see. Okay, come with instructions. Y'all gotta get y'all one of these. Like when I say this thing right here ain't nothing but the truth, like this thing get up in your teeth like the dentist. So I ordered the one that only has one flosser because, like I said, I had already ordered one off the Shein and it worked great, so I could use those to just put into this hole. And let's see, let me show y'all how to set it up. You would take this, close this up. First of all, you will fill this up with some water. And you'll fill it up to this line right here. It tell you on there. Y'all don't mind my nails. But you'll fill it up to right there. That line. And you'll put this in here like that. Put that in there like that. And turn it on. And that's the soft pulse. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess it only got one. Cause it say soft, normal, and pulse, so I don't know what that's about. But I might do a video and show y'all how that works after I sterilize it and clean it and all that good stuff. Okay, so that's that. So we know that it works so far. It turns on. Get y'all one of those. Because this is really good. I had to order me one. Like, you could feel the difference. Like, you could really, really feel the difference. Order me some combs. Oh, it's actually a comb, a brush, and an edge brush. So when I do my client's hair, put some of them like up down views. So I just had to order me some more. And I'll show y'all how much I paid for everything. Because for this, it was very cheap. All this stuff was cheap. That's why I F's with TEMU. I F's with TEMU. Now, I haven't ordered no clothes off of it, but as far as like the electronics and stuff like that, I have. What's this? Oh, my scrunchies. Because of course, as y'all can see, I have a ponytail in my head. Made little scrunchies. They feel okay, they stretch. They durable. Let me see scrunchies for my ponytails. What's this? Oh, this is to build my thing for my perfumes. It's like a little it's a 3-tier shelf. Let me see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to put this together and show y'all. So after I put this together, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. They got this joint like a saran wrap. They funny for that. Okay, this is everything that it came with. And y'all see the 3 shells. I'm gonna put that together. I love getting home decor items. Like, I guess like as you get older, you start to like homely stuff. Like, I started really love going shopping for my home. Like, I love that type of stuff. Oh yeah, I needed these for my clients. Hairpins for when I do their curls. Clips. I needed that. Most of the stuff I did order for my clients because I love them. I got these 2 for them for when I am styling their hair. Y'all, like, if you have a small business, I feel like TEMU is perfect for you. Like, I love TEMU. They got everything you need. Okay, so this is for my flat irons. I kept seeing people posting this on social media, so I was like, let me see what y'all have to say about it. You know, like, let me see, is it like really giving what it's supposed to give? So, okay, so this is the sticky part. But I'm just confused, like, it's not gonna get too hot. It's plastic. So, like, y'all, my nails is messed up. Don't worry, I'm gonna give me a feeling. But it's plastic. Well, filling and a nail replacement. 2 nail replacements. Cause I was being rough. I ain't gonna lie, I was being rough. But my sister did my nails and wait. Yeah, so my sister did my nails because she's about to be a nail technician. So she's practicing on her sisters. Okay, so this part is really sticky, y'all. But I don't know if it's gonna melt on the flat irons or not. I hope not. But yeah, that's what I got. I'm gonna test it out and see and let y'all know. Is it worth getting? Or you just leave it alone. I got a Van Cleef dupe bracelet. This is what it looks like. And this is what this one looks like. So let me try it on and see. And y'all let me know. Cause they say that bracelet is $4,830. This bracelet was like $2. Okay, let's show that again. Okay, so, okay, I see the difference. The real one got 4. This one got 5. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I believe these are the wig caps. These are the wig caps, which is fine. That's fine. It's cool, right? It's fine. It's cool. Okay. So this is the best part of this order. This is the best part of the order right here. This is what I really been waiting on. Okay. Okay, that was for my thumbnail. But this is what I've been waiting on. Auto face tracking selfie stick tripod. 360 degrees spin. Okay. So let's read the instructions. You see, I don't need no app. No app to use it. Okay, let's see. If y'all hear any noise, like water, that is my fish tank. So, yeah, please don't mind my fish tank. I do have a fish tank in my bathroom because I thought it was just so cute. Okay, so we opened the box and this fell out, the little charger. This is what it's like. Okay, a little tripod thing. I hope it's charged. Voila! Okay, let me show y'all what it look like. Got a charging port right there. Okay, so turn on power. Do I hold it? Okay, I see a red light come on. Oh, there you go. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna set it up right here in front of the camera. Let's see, y'all. And also, you can just twist this onto a larger, well, taller tripod stand if you have one. So let's see, what is it doing? Oh, y'all, it's a camera on it, so it's just like, okay, so you ain't gotta go to the TikTok shop. This the one. Let me put my phone on there and see. So, let's see. I'm gonna put my phone on here. See how wide it can get. Okay, it gets pretty wide. And you can rotate. Oh, okay. You can rotate it and turn it and all that good stuff. Okay, let's see. Because I might start recording my vlogs on this right here. Y'all, that is dope. Okay, I like that. Okay, so y'all better go get y'all one of these. It's much cheaper on TEMU than it is on the TikTok shop. So I'll make sure I'll link the link down below in the description so y'all can check it out. Okay, so it say you get the option of standing or sitting. So that is cool. I don't know what the red light is for. I don't know if it's like powering off. Okay, red means it's off and green means it's on. That is so cool. Oh, I'm impressed. So now when I'm out, I'm about to have my little stand with me. At y'all party with my stand. Out to eat with my stand. Out on dates with my stand. y'all better go get y'all one of these. Y'all better go get y'all one of these. And it like rotate, like I said, like you can do it sideways, vertical or horizontal, whichever one you pick. And so let me show y'all just the overall view of what I ordered. I cannot satisfied with this order. The wig caps, at least they sent me some wig caps. I am cool with that. I got me a flosser. I can't hold everything, but I'll try to hold what I can. Got me some clips. Oh, okay, forget the Van Cleef. Yeah, it's not exactly like it, but it got 5 petals instead of 4, so let me just show y'all what I got so far. Alright, let me stop playing. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Give this a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. And let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let me know if y'all will purchase from TEMU. Y'all know that it's legit. I got the bag to show it did come from TEMU. I'm not making this up. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Alright, bye guys. Atrocity.